Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how all those match tricks in the last video, how they work. So the first one was the one where we had one match poking out of the box like that. All that is just a hole in the box there, look guys. And then that one was balancing there like that. We get it there eventually. And then we just light it. Don't ask me why it works. I think the heat must stick the two together, and then as they heat up, this must shrink or something must happen. That's what's making it go up, or maybe even the wood bowing, I don't know. Alright, the next one was the one where it was stuck on the finger. Then we lit it and it sort of stayed up there on its own. And all that pretty much is, guys, if you hold it like that long enough and squeeze it down, squeeze it down, squeeze it down, keep holding it out there for a few seconds. When you finally let go, that's just going to stay there, look. Alright, so next is the one where you hold the match like this, and then you have the other matches sitting on top like that, and you can make them jump. And this one actually fools so many people, but it's such an easy one to get. So pretty much you want to hold that between your thumb and your forefinger, and on your middle finger, you just want to rest that, look, oh, let me try and turn around a bit. You want to rest that on your fingernail like that. So pretty much you're holding there and you're pushing that really hard against your fingernail. Sort of really pretty hard. And then all you got to do is that finger there, just slowly move that down. And it might be pretty hard to see on the camera there, but I'll try to get it to focus. See them little jumps? And that's what makes it flick. And obviously you want to try and make them jumps a little bit less so it's not so obvious. So when you have that sitting on there like that, each one of them little jumps, that's what making the match jump. One of the other reasons why it doesn't notice is because every time this match jumps a little bit, where it's skipping across your fingernail, this match is actually jumping at the exact same time, so it's almost impossible to tell. Look, let me try and get you close up on that. So even while now you know how it works and you're looking out for it, even now it's still hard to tell. Alright, and then the last one was getting an old burnt out match and relighting it. It's quite a cheeky one, this one, guys. What you do, get a match and just kind of burn it halfway down a little bit. Something like that, roughly. Then get a Sharpie pen and just colour the rest of it in. Oh, I've burnt it too far, that one. Hold on, let me do it again. That does look pretty realistic, look. I mean, if you look really closely, you can still see that it's not really gone off yet properly, but it's kind of, you don't want to strike it normally because now these are easy to snap because you've weakened the wood. So you've got to kind of strike it downwards like that so you try not to snap it. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon.